In this video, we will be replacing the stock halogen parking lights in this 2012 Mercedes C-Class with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. For this installation, you will need needle nose pliers. We will start under the hood. Access to the parking lights is behind the headlight housing. The parking lights are in the same housing as the high beams. Start by first removing the dust cover. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock and remove it. You can see the parking light bulb next to the high beam bulb. To remove the bulb, you just need to pull it straight out. We recommend using pliers to help with the grip. Remove the bulb by pulling it apart. Now that we have it out, let's compare it to the new LED bulb. You can see that the LED bulb is almost an exact match to the halogen in size. And notice the LED base is exactly the same, making for an easy plug-and-play fit. Plus, the unique design of this LED puts all the chips on the top. So for this application, there's no wasted light. To install the LED, simply plug it back into the wire connector. These bulbs are not polarity sensitive, so there's no wrong way to plug them in. Then insert the bulb back into the housing and push it in until it's tight. You can now replace the dust cover. Now is a good time to test it, and we can see what the new LEDs look like compared to the halogens. For the driver's side, there's less room with the washer reservoir in front of the dust cover, but you can still replace the bulb without having to take it out. Reach behind the reservoir and remove the dust cover. With a pair of pliers, carefully pull out the halogen bulb. Remove the bulb from the socket and replace with the LED bulb. Insert the new LED back into the housing and push it in until it's tight. Replace with the dust cover, and you are done. Let's see what the parking lights look like now with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.